Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at an advertising tool from a company called Sparcom. Now, I obtained this tool while looking for office supplies way back in the 90s, and this was turned up in a random desk search and was added to the collection. And I tried to research back on some company history on Sparcom, and it was a little tough because there have been actually more recent technological developments that now use the name Sparcom, I believe in microscopy technology. So feel free to research that topic as well, not related to this. This was actually a communications company, so possibly Spar Communications, but I'm not 100% sure. So feel free to do some further research if you are interested. If I turn this over, you can see part of kind of a circuitry logo there symbol. So feel free to comment on that if you like. Also, you can see here a blue highlighted tip here, white body casing on the tool. I'm not sure if this is totally insulated, but this may also represent some sort of insulation, register, resistor type of device, maybe. If we look at the tool surface itself, it is still highly polished, considering that at this time frame, this tool is over 30 years old. So it is in amazing condition, but hasn't really been used all that much. Again, it's just an advertising tool. So I don't know how well it would hold up to daily use. It probably might, or it might start to come apart. I'm not sure, but it has pretty much been unused for the past 30 years. So kind of interesting. You see here the pen clip on here and USA. So this whole thing might have actually been made in the USA as well, which is also very interesting. But looking at an advertising tool from a company called Sparcom. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage Milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos as well as a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.